Hi there. For this part of the badge, I used Mendeley on my PDFs. So basically, I looked up 3 different articles that had to do with the Industrial Revolution in America from around the 1830s to the late 19th century and the beginning of the 20th century. Base part, I did um, we talked about the labor unions from 1836 to 1985. Specifically, chose an excerpt about the basically late 1800s and how labor unions were infringed on by big businesses, and they didn't want them to happen, obviously. So then get down to John D. Rockefeller and just like how he was like a proponent for a bunch of different social things, but also like was a scary individual in that sense because um, he didn't want necessarily to be infringed on his power, so like he was trying to hold down everybody. So that's the excerpt that I chose. You see the note here, and you see the highlight, which is on all 3 of the articles. And then on the last one, this one was about Chicago's working class in 1886. Sort of has to go along with just like all of the mob stuff that was going on in the day. All like the riots that were going on, all of the labor unions that were just like organizing in this specific hubbub. Basically, like in the church, working man is not welcome in the churches of the land. Basically, like they all of a sudden aligned with these huge corporations and big businesses. So you can sort of see that here. Anyway, thank you for listening.